One of the questions that I get most often is how do I know which equation to use? So right now I'm going to create a flow chart to help us in the decision making process. Now the first question we should ask ourselves, is it a right angle triangle? Because if we know it's a right angle triangle, even though we can use our sine and cosine laws, it would be much easier to use our trig ratios and Pythagorean relation. Now, if the answer is yes, it is a right angle triangle, then we need to ask ourselves a second question. Does it involve a right angle, or sorry, does it involve any other angles? Now, if it does involve another angle, then we know that we have to use our trig ratios because trig ratios always involves one angle in addition to the 90 degrees and two sides. Now, if the answer is no, then we're looking at Pythagorean relation. Pythagorean relation involves three sides. So you have to have two sides in order for you to find the third side. Now, if it is not a right angle triangle, then we need to ask ourselves another set of questions. The first question we should ask ourselves, does it have any side angle pair? So does it have a complete side angle pair? Now, if it has a complete side angle pair, you are going to be using the sine law. The sine law always involves two sides and two angles. Now, if the answer is no, then you're going to be using the cosine law because the cosine law involves only one angle and three sides. Okay, so let's clarify once more. When I talk about all of these things that it includes, one of these things will be missing, and you're going to be using the law or the relation or the ratio for you to solve it.